evening, everyone. And this is my first ever vlog of this year, 2012. And yun. Just wanna share you something. And ayun nga, nakakapanibago na phone pa ako na vlog or video vlog on my life kasi hindi naman din talaga ako sanay. And just wanna get in touch with you guys, for those people who really support and trust me on what I have, on what he had, on what he gave to me. And yun, to share you something different, and to share my thoughts and what's happening to me now. And that's it. Just welcoming myself. This is my first ever vlog, and my back is a box. Yan, may tao yata. And just wanna, yun, kamusta po kayo? And I'm getting fat. My chicks are getting fat, diba? So yun, I just wanna get in touch with you guys. Kamustahin po kayong lahat. Siyempre, sa mga nakakatweet ko po at nakaka-Facebook ko, Facebooking. Yan, sa mga nakaka-tweet ko po, lagi, yan. Maraming salamat po sa pagsasagang pag-tweet sa akin. At syempre, sa mga ka-Facebook ko naman dyan, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pag-subscribe. Sana sa YouTube ko rin mag-subscribe din kayo. Kahit lang masyadong kwenta itong sinasabi ko. Yeah. Siguro, ito lang po muna ang update for me. And I'm just gonna pursuing my dreams, and hopefully this December makapunta sa isang lugar na maganda. Yun. How are you guys? Ano masabi? And nga pala, bago pala lahat, i-add nyo po ako sa aking Twitter and Instagram are the same. My Twitter and Instagram are the same password, the same username, at Paul7, POULTHE number 7, then TH. Then sa Facebook naman po, Paul Garcia, the real me. So yun po, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pag-support, and update ko po kayo sa mga upcoming shows. And yun, that's it for tonight. Siguro may pa akong tutulog naman. Yun, that's for tonight, and have a blessed day, night, day, araw. And don't forget to pray before you sleep, and hope you guys guided by your angels. Yun, maraming salamat. Just keep rocking.